Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be looking at a custom widget that I made with KWGT and KWGT Pro. So this is the app right here, and this is actually from the Shadow KWGT pack on the Play Store. These are both paid apps. You do have to have the Pro version. I think it was like $149 each, but you can customize this all right here, as well as there are other, it was minimal KWGT. There's a bunch of different ones in this pack that you can set up, so it's very, very nice, very cool. It also acts as like buttons and stuff like that, so if I tap that, it will open my messages. If I tap that, it will bring down my notification shade. Then we have the clock right here, we have the weather right here, and the battery right here. So one thing I actually did to this was I customized it with the battery right here. I actually flipped those around, so if you go in here, you can go in and you can go to each different one, and you can totally customize these, move it around. You can also show what information it shows. So this was actually a Google voice button, or a Google Assistant button rather, and actually just deleted that, put the notification bell there, and actually no, sorry, this one was the Google Assistant. I deleted that, put the message icon there, and set it to open WhatsApp. So I have that icon right there. This one was the notification, but I had the I added the number that displays the number of notifications that I currently have that are unread, that I haven't cleared yet. So that is the custom KWGT home screen on my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I will leave a link down in the description where you can download the apps that I used to make this. Colin here with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.